Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku Heavy in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, May the 7th, 2021. The second Sudoku is a Sudoku Heavy, and there is also no extra Sudokus today. No additional, so I've decided to continue with the additional of yesterday. There are 4 puzzles left yesterday, but this one we will solve first. This will be 2754. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits, so correct me if I'm wrong. All right. So let's get started. I see a lot of ones, 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Or we see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. In that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there. Then let me see, 9, 8, 8. 2, 3, 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row below, between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so in that column the only place for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see therefore no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see, yes, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. Therefore no 4 in that box, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, only 3 boxes left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me see. 7 and 6, 3, 5, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 5, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see there 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 5, 6, 6, 8, 8, 8, 3. Well, 3. Yes. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. Yes, 9 and a 3 in this column. 9 and a 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only two places for the 9 and the 3 should be in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. So that means one box left in this column for the number 2. 2 is missing, yes. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in the last column. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5, let me mark those two boxes. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. One box left in this column for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 6 and 5. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row, so here cannot be a 5. There should be the 5, and this box should be the 6. Okay, almost finished. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 7, 1, 9, 9, 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. Now I have a 4 here. I've marked those two boxes with the 4. This box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. One box left in this middle row for the number 6 is missing. 1, 2 is missing. 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 9, 9. Okay. 4, 3, 3, 2. Ooh, yes. Okay. 6, 6, 6, 6. 2, 2. Here cannot be 2. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 3. Wow. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. The difficult part. Let me 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2, 2, 2. Yeah. 3, 3. Yeah. 7. Yeah. It's the difficult part. 7. Let me put some numbers because it's taking too long. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so the row below, the third row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, can I do this for another digit? How about the 5 in the third row, the 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, and no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. 1. How about this box? Cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5, cannot be a... the 6 is missing. 6, 4, cannot be a 7, cannot be an 8, cannot be a 9. Yes, 6 or 4. I need pairs. Okay. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 8. in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There, and 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be here, because we have an 8 there. So the 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Okay, now we have a 5 here. 5, 5. Yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here a 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Now I have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with 5, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, alright, and I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here, alright. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places for the 3, could be here, could be there. Same story with those 2 3s. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 3 could be here, could be there. That means in this row we have 1, 2, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 9 and 6. No, still cannot fill this yet. 9 and 6. Okay, okay. Let me see. Those 2, 9, 9, 7. 3, 8, 6, 6, 6, 6. Ay. 8, 8, 8, yes, 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there, because we have an 8 in this column. Here cannot be an 8. Okay, those 2 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 9 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I'm a little bit in a hurry. Let me think. 9, 6. Here cannot be a 9. Here cannot be a 9. Here could be a 9. Okay. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Here cannot be a 9, 9, 9. Ay. I need pairs. Let me think. 2, 8, 3, 1, 3, 8, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 could be here, could be there. 6, 6, 6, 6. Aha. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. And I've marked those 2 boxes for the 9 and 6. Well, this box cannot be a 6 anymore. This box should be a 9. And that box should be a 6. Okay. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 and the 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. Okay. So now in this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in this column. So no 7 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 6, 4, and 2 is missing. Yes. We see here 2. No 2 here. 2 could be here. Could be there. All right, 9, 7, and 6, 6, 9, 7, and the 2 is missing. 2, 2, here and the 9 and the 7. It's a mess here. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 8 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3 goes there, alright. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this column. Wait, I have here 6. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 6, so this box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. Alright, 2 boxes left here for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box cannot be 9 anymore. That box should be 9, and this box should be a 7. 1 box left in the 3rd column for the number 9. Alright, 2 boxes left for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 5 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. 6 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. How about 7? Here. 7, because we have 7 in the 1st row, 7 in the 3rd row, so in the row between. Only 2 places for the 7, could be here, could be there. 2, 4, 6, 2. I'm missing numbers here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 3, 3, 8. 8. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the 2nd row, so in the 1st row. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. Alright, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6, and the final, no, not final 2 numbers, the 7 and the 3, no, 7 and the 2 are missing. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now the final 2 numbers, 7 and the 5, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. All right, great. Heavy Sudoku. You need to think a lot, but I've managed to solve this in a proper time. Yes, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Thank you very much, and have a great and fantastic Friday. See you then. Bye bye for now.